For coffee lovers, that first sip of the day can make or break your morning. If you're a fan of rich, aromatic coffee, but tired of the hassle that comes with brewing methods like pour-over or French press, then this clever coffee dripper is the solution you've been waiting for. With its innovative design that blends the best of pour-over and French press methods, this dripper ensures you enjoy a hassle-free and mess-free coffee-making experience. In this review, we'll explore the features that make the clever coffee dripper a must-have for every coffee enthusiast, and why it should be your next coffee brewing tool. The clever coffee dripper is as stylish as it is functional. Available in a striking peacock blue, this device will fit seamlessly into any kitchen setup, whether you're brewing coffee at home, in the office, or at your favorite campsite. Its design is sleek, lightweight, and most importantly, practical. Unlike more complex brewing systems that require specialized equipment or a long learning curve, the clever coffee dripper is designed with simplicity in mind. It allows anyone, regardless of experience, to brew a delicious cup of coffee in just a few simple steps. And did we mention it holds 18 ounces of coffee? That's perfect for larger cups and thermoses, making it ideal for both single-serve brewing or when you want to prepare multiple cups. Whether you're a casual coffee drinker or someone who can't go without that caffeine fix, the clever coffee dripper has got you covered. At its core, the clever coffee dripper brings together the best aspects of pour-over and French press brewing methods. The patented release valve ensures that coffee only starts dripping when you're ready to dispense it into your mug or thermos. This gives you complete control over the brew time, allowing you to adjust it to your taste preference. Simply add hot water and your favorite ground coffee, let it steep to the desired strength, then place the clever dripper over your mug. The valve opens, releasing a perfectly brewed cup of coffee every single time. No mess, no spills, and no need to hover over your brewing station. This immersion brewing method means that you decide how long your coffee should brew. Whether you prefer a lighter brew or something stronger, the clever coffee dripper allows you to fine-tune your cup to your specific taste. One of the biggest pain points of traditional brewing methods is the cleanup. With French press, you're left scrubbing away coffee grounds from the plunger, and with pour-over, you have to carefully dispose of the filter and grounds. With the clever coffee dripper, cleanup is a breeze. Simply toss the disposable filter, yes, it comes with 100 filters included, and give the dripper a quick rinse. The 100% BPA-free Tritan plastic is durable and dishwasher safe, so you can have a clean coffee dripper ready for the next brew in minutes. No more messy counters, no more complicated cleanup routines. This device simplifies every aspect of your coffee-making ritual so that you can focus on enjoying your brew rather than stressing over the aftermath. When investing in a coffee brewing tool, you want to ensure it will last. The clever coffee dripper is made from 100% BPA-free Tritan plastic, which is not only durable but also heat-resistant. Whether you're brewing at home, in the office, or even outdoors, this dripper is built to withstand regular use. It's versatile too. The clever coffee dripper fits on a wide variety of mugs and thermoses with tops between 1.5 inch and 3.75 inch in diameter. So whether you're filling your favorite morning cup or brewing a to-go thermos, this dripper adjusts to your needs. Looking for the perfect gift for a coffee lover? The clever coffee dripper, with its sleek design and practical functionality, makes an excellent choice. The peacock blue color adds a stylish touch, but it's also available in other colors to match any personality or kitchen aesthetic. Why the clever coffee dripper stands out. With so many brewing tools on the market, why choose the clever coffee dripper? Here's what makes it truly unique. Ease of use. From beginners to seasoned baristas, this dripper is designed for everyone. Simply add your filter, grounds, hot water, and let it steep. Then, place it on your mug and enjoy. Consistent brewing. Whether you want a light brew or a bold, strong cup, the immersion brewing method gives you full control over how long your coffee steeps. No mess. The patented release valve ensures your counter stays clean. No more drips, spills, or wasted coffee. Quick cleanup. Toss the filter, rinse the dripper, and you're done. It's that simple. Durable and portable. Whether at home, the office, or outdoors, the clever coffee dripper is built to last and travel with you. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.